Tegan, welcome to my channel, and first of all I just want to say I had such bad anxiety doing this, but don't worry, it turned out amazing. You'll do fine, I believe in you. So basically you just measure how long you want it to be like on your body, and then you cut that from the bottom of the singlet. I started by just cutting the back section, and I was totally going to leave it like this, and then I realized it was a bit weird. I'm surrounded by scissors and I tore it open like a peasant. Okay, continue. I obviously decided to finish cutting the rest of it. Alright, calm down. Oh my god, this is so exciting. Okay. Kill 'em. I was also thinking of making like a headband out of it, you know, like. I don't know how to put on a headband. How do you put on a headband? I'm gonna try this on. Anyway, so because it doesn't fit nice and tightly, I'm gonna make some ties at the back so you can tie it on. Duh. So I just cut straight in the middle of the back, and then I'm gonna cut it into quarters so you can tie those two, like the tops and the bottoms together, like that. But then on the blue one, I decided to make them triangular, as seen here. And then I cut the pink ones into triangles too. Oh, cool. Yeah. So exciting. Whoa, this is the finished product. It worked. Let's see what it looks like on. You're about to get blown away in 3, 2, 1, go.